In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly replace and reset images in your documents, a handy skill that can really enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your workflow. Whether you're working on a presentation, report, or any digital document, these skills are essential in maintaining both the aesthetic quality and the professional look of your work. Let's start with replacing an image in your document. So, you have a document open on your computer browser, and there's an image that you wish to swap out for something more appropriate or updated. With your document open, navigate to the image you want to change. Simply click on that image. This step is crucial because it selects the image, making the next actions possible. Once the image is selected, bring up the context menu by right-clicking on the image. In this menu, you should see an option that reads Replace Image. Click this option, and you're halfway through the process. Now, a window or dialog will appear asking you to choose the source for the new image you'd like to insert. You can choose from various sources, such as your computer's local files, Google Drive, a specific URL, or other available options depending on your browser or application. Select the source that holds your new image. Navigate through your files or browse through your drive to locate the image you want to use. Once you've found it, select it, and just like magic, the new image will take the place of the old one. What's great about this feature is that it tries to maintain the size and position settings of the original image as closely as possible, ensuring that your document layout remains consistent and visually pleasing. Now, onto the reset function, which is especially useful if you've made several adjustments to an image, like cropping, rotating, or changing its color balance, and need to revert these changes for any reason. Start by selecting the image you wish to reset by clicking on it. With the image highlighted, look at the options above, or simply right-click the image again, and this time choose Image Options. This will open a sidebar on your screen which contains a variety of options for editing the image. Within this sidebar, take a moment to locate a function commonly termed as Reset Image. Guides often reference this feature because it's particularly handy. Clicking Reset will strip away all the adjustments you've made, restoring the image back to the state it was in when you first inserted it into the document. This can be a lifesaver if you need a fresh start or want to ensure the image is in its original form for any purpose. With these simple yet powerful tools, you can now easily and effectively manage the images in your documents, keeping them both relevant and professionally presented. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and practice these skills to further enhance your document editing experience.